Samsung will reportedly use a technology used in electric vehicles to boost the battery of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is about 10 months away now. Samsung's SDI division responsible for battery research and development is reportedly exploring the possibility of introducing stacked batteries to their smartphone business, reports GSM Arena. Unlike a change to the chemical composition of the battery, this innovation involves rearranging the cells within the battery, resulting in a higher energy density, which in turn will allow for a greater capacity of the battery to fit within the same volume, potentially extending the battery life of Samsung's future smartphones. While smartphone batteries operate under significantly different conditions than electrical vehicle power packs, the report suggests that there can be a 10% increase in density. Meanwhile, Samsung will reportedly ditch Exynos system on chips for its upcoming flagship series, Galaxy S24. According to a Twitter leaker, smartphones in the Galaxy S24 series will not use an Exynos SoC anywhere in the world, reports Sam Mobile. Therefore, the S24 series will likely be similar to the latest S23 series and is expected to come packed with the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor.